Welcome to How to Content, and this is the most requested video on my Instagram कि भाई प्लीज बता दो कैसे स्टार्ट करना है. Secret to good storytelling is always show, not tell. This is what we are doing. We're taking all of our lights, all of our equipment, taking this to my brother's place because I need a YouTube setup. Yes, guys, YouTube is on.
You got me hypnotized, you make me realize, yeah. Just tell me, baby, who's up by your side? 'Cause every day and night, I'm about to lose my mind. We're like birds of a feather by design. You know I kiss but never tell her, I just wanna take a chance. The way you move, it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know I wish upon a well and I'ma take you to the moon. 'Cause I get lifted when you come around. I feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move.
Come see the setup.
Hey, that is so cool. Ooh.
Oh, that's amazing, dude.
Make me feel like Michael
amazing.
Jackson. Don't stop, can't get enough. You make me feel like Michael Jackson.
Welcome to How to Content, and this is the most requested video on my Instagram कि भाई प्लीज बता दो कैसे स्टार्ट करना है. So this is episode 1 where I'll be teaching some basics and giving you some type of motivation to start video. I will also try to review all of your videos. Whoever watches this and tags me in their video, I will personally send you guys a personalized message, and I will try to be as transparent. So दिल पे मत लेना. Okay, so firstly ये कोई scam नहीं है. मेरे को जो पता था और मेरे को जो समझ में आता है सब चीज़ें मैंने इसमें डाल दिया है. Also, just remember that this is an introduction. There will be more videos to it, so hit that subscribe button for more such content. The complete content creation funnel. First of all, idea generation. So a simple trick to idea generation is basically always scroll with a mindset that you want to create, not consume. Always remember that, because that will help you set apart and actually analyze what is working and what is not working on Instagram. Remember my video, niche is not really important. Niche is only to help you ideate more and more. मेरा ही example ले लो. My niche is lifestyle. I can create videos on transitions, कपड़े, जूते, बाल कैसे बनाते हैं, all that stuff, right? सबसे पहले देखो कि ट्रेंडिंग क्या चल रहा है. अगर कोई ऑडियो ऐसा है जो तुम्हें लगता है कि यू कैन मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दिस और एनीथिंग. सेकंड इज पर्सनल, दैट इज शेयरिंग वीडियोस फॉर योरसेल्फ. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने एक पॉडकास्ट BTS करके एक वीडियो बनाई थी जो सिर्फ आई थिंक इट हिट अबाउट 10 to 15K एंड वेरी मुश्किल से इट वेंट अप. And that is kind of my favorite reel because I really like that video. The way it was made, and I thoroughly enjoyed making it, editing it and posting it. So that is second. Third is what worked for others. Now, when I say niche is not important, it's not important in a sense कि भाई that shouldn't limit you. Niche is important where it helps you create more. Okay? अब जैसे मेरे नीश में आते हैं पूर्वी, सुशांत, and these two creators I think are the closest to my niche, and they started by making videos every day for 365 days or at least 30 days to start off. That really picked up and that was a trend going on back then. I never picked up on that trend because मुझे पता था मैं हर रोज नहीं डाल पाऊंगा, वो मुझे ड्रेन कर लेगा. So I never did that. So always remember that if you're doing a 365 day challenge or like a 30-day challenge, एक हफ्ते का कंटेंट अपने पास रेडी रखो. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई डिड. मेरे पास 1-2 दिन के कंटेंट जब रेडी होते हैं मैं तभी कंसिस्टेंटली पोस्ट कर पाता हूँ, तभी मैं अपने ऑडियंस के फीड में रोज आ पाता हूँ, एंड दैट इज व्हाट हेल्प्स मी गेन फॉलोअर्स. हियर इज अ क्विक समरी ऑफ व्हाट यू कैन मेक. बुक्स, लाइफस्टाइल, clothing, how do you go to college every day, what goes into your head, a quick tip that might help your audience. मतलब ऐसे चैट जीपीटी कर लो यार, ये 5 डाल के इसके बाद बोलो कि चैट जीपीटी गिव मी 15 more, then you will have a lot more. This is the most important step after your idea generation is develop personality. Now define your unique angle. अब मेरा unique angle था, मेरा 4:3 रेशियो थी. अब मेरी पर्सनैलिटी, और एक चीज़ मैं बता सकता हूँ कि मैं एक बहुत बकचोद आदमी हूँ और मैं बहुत मुंहफट हूँ, मेरे को जो लगता है मैं वो करता हूँ. एंड क्विक टिप, आई नेवर एवर स्पेंड more than half an hour to pick my music. अगर भाई मैं एडिट पे बैठा हूँ और मुझे म्यूजिक समझ में नहीं आ रहा, आई पिक द फर्स्ट थिंग आई हियर और द सेकंड वन एंड आई मेक इट वर्क, बट दैट इज नॉट द राइट वे टू डू इट बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट स्टार्टिंग आउट. थर्ड इज स्क्रिप्ट एंड शूट. आई ऑलवेज थिंक लाइक एन एडिटर व्हेनेवर आई एम शूटिंग. सेम एग्जांपल पॉडकास्ट रील, उसमें कंटेंट क्रिएटर जो मेरे दोस्त सावन ने बोला, दैट वाज वेरी catching on and that was going with the music, so I put it across 2-3 times so that it can catch up on that and stuff like that, and it just makes it more funny.
Content creator.
I had that idea even before I sat on my desk to edit. अब भाई editing, hook, pacing, value per second, ये चीज सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. तुम्हारा म्यूजिक जो तुम पिक कर रहे हो, क्या तुम उसके साथ पेस कर सकते हो अपना वीडियो? एज एन इफ यू आर टेकिंग अ म्यूजिक ऑफ लाइक 120 to 160 BPM which is very high and your videos are very slow, then it won't look good. So always remember कि भाई तुम्हें कौन सा टाइप का वीडियो बनाना है. Then package, thumbnail plus title तो तुम्हें पता ही है क्या है. To make people click, that is the most important in YouTube and Instagram these days. I never worked on thumbnails and that's why my videos sucked in the start. Then there is distribution, multi-platform strategy. You can post it on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok if you have the access. And then lastly, every second day of whenever you post, you should go into your analytics and understand why this reel worked, why this reel didn't work. And maybe like start a broadcast channel wherein a small community of people will tell you कि भाई ये अच्छा नहीं था, ये अच्छा था, ये अच्छा नहीं था, ये अच्छा था. Maybe your creator friends as well if you have any. Now the most important question of all, should I make this video? So here's the thing about content creation. I'll be very honest with you. You should always have fun while doing it. Don't be a prisoner of your own content. I learned that the hard way and I started to enjoy it while doing something else. As in, I was enjoying editing until college was going on and I was just like कि college को मेरे को नहीं कुछ करना, but मेरे को ये editing करनी. You're skipping college to do edit. I lost a lot of sleep while doing editing, so I was always like कुछ ना कुछ सूली पे चढ़ा दे के I was just having fun like that. So that worked out for me. देखो भाई, simple सी बात है, you have to learn editing. Now there are some tutorials that I will be sharing in the description down below, but always remember that editing नहीं आ रही है तो editor hire करने के लिए पैसे होने चाहिए. अगर पैसे नहीं है, so you need to learn editing. There is no easy way out. Let me just tell you this simple example, ठीक है? अब आपको खाना बनाने नहीं आता, but आपने फिर भी कुक बुक ले ली ताकि आप थोड़ा सा अपने आप को पुश करके वो सीख पाओ. Now even if you're not going into the kitchen because your mom isn't allowing, you just go through the book once. And you are like कि ठीक है, ये salt ऐसे ऐड होता है, क्यों ऐड होता है, पेपर क्यों ऐड होता है, and all of that stuff. Then when you are hiring a cook to do your work while you are in office, you tell them exactly what you need. कि भाई तेल मत डालना ज़्यादा क्योंकि मेरे को कोलेस्ट्रॉल हो जाता है या जो भी होता है, I don't know. नमक कम डालना, सिर्फ चिकन और राइस बनाना, ऐसे बनाना. So you need to understand the cookbook in order to make your cook understand as well on how to cook your videos. Right? So always remember that कि भाई there is no easy way out. You need to learn editing or you need to have a full-on blown team that helps you strategize, script and understand what you want because you don't know the cookbook. So तुम अपनी dumb language में समझाओगे, वो समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, तुम्हारा पैसा बर्न होगा. So instead just learn editing भाई. Plus editing करके you can monetize on the side. As in, if you are confident enough to get clients on board wherein you are taking 2,000, 5,000 rupees per reel and it will just help you monetize your side gig. You need to be either funny, witty, angry or obnoxious or just be yourself to make other people feel something. Now take an example of Samay Raina. Samay Raina is basically a guy who is Mufat and he doesn't care about anything. And whenever he does brand videos, it is very evident कि भाई उसको थोड़ा force करा जा रहा है तो वो कर रहा है. But you always remember कि भाई Samay Raina is the realist. Here's a cheat sheet. ठीक है? This is what I followed with my clients. This is what I followed with myself as well. And this is what I would ideally want you to follow as well. So here's how you do 30-day posting challenge या जो भी 365 जो भी चल रहा है अभी. Basically you have to be prepared with 2 or 3 or ideally 5 videos. So Monday is just for ideation and ideation में you need to cook 3 to 5 videos for the week. Then Tuesday you will shoot and you will shoot 3 to 5 videos if possible because it's reels at the end of the day. If they're not high production. If they're easy, you're just sitting down and talking, then भाई बैच में करो. Wednesday you will sit and edit the whole 3 or 4 or 5 videos whatever you're doing. Then Thursday को you will keep it as a checkbox कि अगर कोई वीडियो छूट गई हो तो फिर मैं उस दिन करूँ और फिर एडिटिंग को साइड बाय साइड चलाओ. Friday तक I think you should be ready with 3 to 5 videos for the next week. Saturdays को you will sit down and you will try to ideate again. You will try to show it to your friends, get some feedback and stuff like that. Now, remember that YouTube is an intent-driven platform and Instagram is a time pass-driven platform wherein if you are sitting in a metro, you won't open YouTube, you'll open Instagram. So, always remember that Instagram पे जितनी बकचोद वाली वीडियो डालोगे उतना बेहतर. मेरे साथ भी यही हुआ है 2 वीडियोस के साथ. मैंने अपनी बहन के साथ बनाए थे and it really picked off. I don't know why. I made videos with my dad that also picked up because of his jokes and his personality, of course. So this is the thing. When you add different personalities in your videos, they also tend to pick up faster because there's a diversity of sorts that you are letting your audience inside your house type of a thing where they'll be interested in knowing more and more about you personally, which will help them retain your content for long. And please remember that Instagram is for 30 to 45 seconds only. Don't make longer videos. मैं हाथ जोड़ रहा हूँ. अगर आप कोई ब्रांड हो, एजेंसी हो या कोई क्रिएटर हो, डोंट मेक लॉन्ग वीडियोस. नोबडी इज वाचिंग इट, एटलीस्ट नॉट मी. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, पैक करके दो एकदम कच 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 कच, बिकॉज द स्मॉलर द बेटर. YouTube Shorts is more about challenges and value driven sort of content, like podcast clips हो गई या कोई challenge हो गया कि I'll go through this drive through 60 times, we'll see who stops me or something like that. So that was How to Content episode 1. It is very basic. I know if you stick around till the end, then good for you. You have taken something from this. Use this as a motivational video if you want to, but try to make a video after this. थोड़ी सी tag me in all of your videos. I will review it and I'll tell you what is working and what is not. Maybe next time I'll teach you about sound design, editing, strategy and stuff like that. So yeah,